I wish we weren't so far away. But it's okay. 'Cause when you're back in my city, I hope you come here to stay. Nobody thought this would work, but where there's a will, there's a way. I fantasize about living out in a home by the lake, so I can get good night kisses after working all day. I'll say I do if you do too. I want to be so close to you. I can't get close enough. You're the only one who ever got me to open up. 'Cause my heart has a lock, but your hand has the key. And I bet $1,000,000 that I'll never wanna leave. And I know that this life sucks sometimes. I know you wish you could give up sometimes.